I took my dog Archie to the vet because I was a bit concerned about his eyes. On the way back, I just went into a real slump. Don't know why. But this is what happens to me. You know, I have to deal with this on a daily basis. Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. These are some new savings challenges that I managed to get off Etsy and to support the small businesses as well. I'll start with these two, which are from Frugality is Life. I love the books. I love reading. I don't read as much as I used to read anymore, but I do listen to a lot of audiobooks. I just thought I'd get this because it'll be fun to decorate, to colour in. I will do these books in twos. Each book will be £2. That's what I can afford. I can do maybe 10 at a time. I printed it on the flip side as well because I wanted to check out my new printer. Well, it's not so new, but I haven't done any double-sided printing on it. I wanted to check that out with these, and these came out really good. No point wasting a whole paper, and this is good cardstock as well, just to print on one side, and then it gives me an opportunity to do it again as well. So I'm happy with that. They're practically doable, and that's what I like about them. We've got the denominations of 1s, 2s, 5s and 10s here, and what I will do with the 1s is use them as 5s, and if I can manage to do them as 10s as well, I will, because I don't want to use any coins with these challenges. So I'll do the 1s in 5s or even 10s. So I'll count 10 1s and I'll stuff for that. I will do the 2s in 10s definitely, and the 5s are fine and the 10s are fine. As I said, I don't want to use any coins for these challenges. This one is from Frugality's Life as well, and I did do this on the flip side, but I used copier paper for this one because I think this was the first one I printed, and just to check out my new printer, and that went down well. So no doubt I will be colouring these with colouring pencils and not any Sharpies or pens. Also, I've got the 100 rainy day here. Let's just concentrate on this one for a minute. The 100 rainy day fund with the Wellington boots, and then we've got the 300 rainy day fund. These are with the raindrops, and then the 500 rainy day fund with the umbrellas and clouds. These ones are £50. These are a mixture of 10s, 25s, 15s, and I can see a 5 here, and it goes up to, yeah, so it goes up to 50. So it's just 5s, 10s, 15s, 25 and 50s. This one is the autumn leaves. Oh, sorry about that. I forgot to say that these are from One Frugal Introvert, and I will link the Etsy shops in the description below. The autumn one I really liked, again, to colour in the autumn leaves, and they're all doable for me. This one is it's marked up as $1, but I will use, it's £1 in the UK, as you know. If you didn't, you know now. But I will round this up as 5. Both these two will be 5s because this one's 5 anyway. Each leaf is 5, but I may just do this one as my first one for £10. It's £9 really, but I will round it up as 10 and leave it as that. This one is fine. This one is 5s, and I'll receive on completion £45. And this one now is £10, which that's fine as well. On completion it will be £90, and I really do like it, I really do. This is from One Frugal Introvert. I think I got a thing about the word frugal, because really I am. Sometimes I think I'm a Scrooge. I'm even more than frugal sometimes. I don't usually do so much talking. The last savings challenge. So the last one is the puzzle piece. This is also from One Frugal Introvert. This one you save £40. They are ones. It's okay because I can still do it even though I'm not using coins. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 puzzles on each row, so then I can do 10 on each, so that's good for me. This one saved £80, and this is 2, so I would have to put 20, which I don't mind. And this one is save £120, and this is 3, so I will put £5. You know, just round it up like that, because as I said, I'm not using any coins. Now all that chatting I have done, I most probably edit it all out and just stick to the matter in hand. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I'll see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.